You've made a great decision in choosing quality ICO roofing products for your project. In this Blueprint for Roofing series, each video module will give you step-by-step instructions to help you install each of the various roofing components according to ICO's recommendations. Let's get started. No matter which of the many different types of roof you may work on, they all have certain features in common. So before we start, here are a few of the terms you'll hear as you watch the upcoming videos. The ridge is at the top or peak of the roof where two roof planes meet, and the hip is where two roof faces connect and project outward. The eaves are horizontal, lower edges of a sloped roof, and the rake is a sloped edge where a roof hangs over the exterior wall. A valley is formed at the intersection of two sloping roof planes. The fascia is the topmost vertical component of the exterior, where it meets the roof edge. Now we're all on the same page. Ready to start? Let's go!